demonstrating how to do a proper push-up. And for this video, I like to say that the push-up is by far one of my favorite exercises because you can do it anywhere, doesn't require equipment, and somewhat of a challenge, right? All right, and this is how you do it. All right, I like to say, like, for a little tip is like the way you breathe is important during the push-up. It's like you breathe in when you're going down, and on your way up, that's when you breathe out. And then another good tip is like I did, I started with my belly on the floor. We both did. Start with our belly on the floor, our nose touching the floor, and it's just an easy, for me it's the proper way to start. And your toes straight on the floor, elbows pointed behind you, like how we showed in the video. The challenge, if you're a beginner, let's see if you can do 13 consecutive. And if you're advanced, let's see if you can do 30. And when you're done, send me a clip to my email if you feel comfortable. You can comment below, give it a thumbs up, like my video. My classes are both online. We can do online classes. We don't even have to come in contact, or we do in-person training. Whichever you feel comfortable with. I am Coach Julian. We will send our links, our tags up in the comment section. You can follow us both. Thank you for watching.